Hello. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Isang napakahangin na afternoon po dito sa neighborhood of Musashi Kosugi. I'm actually in the park, so nakaupo lang po ako dito. And you guys all know I do this daily lives because the intention of this live video is for me to share this amazing business opportunity that we are doing called affiliate marketing, while also practicing po what does it take to become a successful entrepreneur. So these are the topics that I chose na makakapagtulong po sa mga taong naghahangad na maging successful sa kanilang negosyo, sa mga tao naghahanap ng negosyo pero hindi nila alam kung saan nila sisimulan, and para sa mga tao na naghahanap ng mindset shift or something na video na to give tips on how to get better. These are my goals, and I hope that I can give value to your time. So that's why I'm doing this video. So, okay, so let's go to the topic for today. I really like this topic because I started doing this I think 3 years ago, and malaki po ang pagbabago na aking na-witness dito sa topic na to na aking i-discuss ngayon. Ano ba itong topic na to? It's all about mindfulness po, practice mindfulness. So ano ba yung topic is focus through mindfulness. Kasi pag sinabi mong mindfulness, ano ba ang mindfulness? Let's go straight away. Mindfulness isn't just about meditation. It's about bringing awareness, focus, calm in each moment. It is a tool that will benefit your business and will benefit your life. Because like I said, being entrepreneur po, it's not easy. Sobrang marami pong mga pagkakataon na may stress tayo. Sobrang maraming pagkakataon na mag-iisip tayo ng mga bagay na hindi pa na nangyayari. Mag-iisip tayo ng mga bagay na nakakapagpa-stress sa atin, na minsan iisipin natin yung mga bagay na hindi naman pala mangyayari pero iniisip natin siya lagi. So this creates stress in our bodies. So isa sa mga sinubukan ko na gawin is mindfulness. Ano bang ginagawa ng mindfulness? Ako, para sa akin, in my own experience, mindfulness helps me to become present. Diba? Kasi yung brain po natin, this is the normal work of our brain. Iniisip natin kung ano nangyari sa past. Pinagsisisihan natin yung mga nangyari sa past. Tapos iniisip natin kung anong gusto natin mangyari sa future. Tapos iniisip natin kung ano yung mangyayari sa atin ngayon. So it's all about, parang yung brain natin pupunta sa future, pupunta sa past, pupunta sa present. Ang ginagawa po ng mindfulness to me is wag na natin problemahin yung nakaraan. Wag na natin problemahin yung mga bagay na hindi pa nangyayari. Mag-focus tayo kung ano yung nakokontrol natin, which is right now in this moment. So nakatulong po sa akin ang mindfulness para maintindihan na hindi lahat ng iniisip ng inyong mind ay totoo. Hindi lahat ng sinasabi ng inyong mind ay mangyayari. So binibigyan niya po ako ng self of calmness and focus that it's more beneficial for us to live in the present moment. So ano ba ang benepisyo na pwedeng ibigay ng mindfulness sa atin? I can give you 3 benefits po. Number 1, it really reduces stress. Pag nai-stress ka, hindi lang meditation ang nakakatulong, ang breathing exercises rin ang nakakatulong. So it's really beneficial if we are really stressed. Try to breathe in and focus, and it will reduce stress. It helps you focus kung ano yung mga bagay na pwede mong gawin ngayon instead na problemahin mo yung mga problema na hindi pa nangyayari. So that's number 1 benefit. And number 2, improves focus. Pag kasi masyado nating iniisip yung mga nakaraan, wala na po tayong magagawa doon, di ba? Pag masyado nating iniisip ang mangyayari pa, wala rin tayong magagawa because the future is not promised. So magkakaroon tayo ng focus kung ano ba yung task na pwede natin gawin, which is right now. So if you want to lose weight, don't think about you having an abs in 6 months. Think about exercising right now. Think about doing your diet. Think about stuff na makakapag doing exercise, diba? So mas nakakatulong na magkakaroon tayo ng focus at magiging mas productive tayo to reach our goals. And number 3, it improves ako, para sa akin nakakatulong to. I just want to share, it kind of gives me better decision. Kasi minsan pag medyo natataranta tayo, ni-stress tayo, we tend to make what I call this decision na na bigla-bigla. Tas nag-end up hindi pala siya magandang desisyon, di ba? So, becoming mindful of the awareness kung ano nangyayari sa inyo, then you can focus and you can make better decisions. So, yun po yung mga benepisyo na aking naramdaman, na aking nararanasan in practicing mindfulness. There's a really good app that I can recommend to you that is really helped me a lot. It's a paid app. If you want to use it, it's called Headspace. It's really beneficial. Ituturo niya sa'yo yung ways from beginner to intermediate hanggang sa expert na sa mindfulness. It just gives me a sense of clarity, and it gives me an anchor to be living in the present moment instead of living in the future. So yun po, I want to cut my video really short right now because like I said, not everybody have 10 minutes of time to watch me talking, but this is also the intention of my video, is for me to give value kahit paano makatulong ako sa inyo, and to promote the business that we are doing called digital marketing. If you are interested in opening up a business but you have no idea how to, message me and I can guide you and I can let you know kung ano ang pwedeng maging benefit itong business na ito sa inyo. So thank you po. This is David, and I hope that I will see you guys again for my next video, which is tomorrow. And like I said, it's a journey. I'm just loving this journey of becoming better every single day. So thank you everybody for the support, and thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys again for my next video tomorrow. Peace. Thank you.